Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cooling sheets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Milani Cooling Sheet Set. If you crave that luxurious, silky feeling in your sheets, then the Milani Cooling Sheet Set is a dream come true. These sheets not only feel incredibly soft to the touch, but they're also a game changer for hot sleepers. Made from microfiber fabric, they possess a remarkable ability to regulate temperature. This means they'll keep you warm and cozy during winter nights and refreshingly cool in the heat of summer. And the best part? They're incredibly lightweight, making them perfect for anyone, especially those with sensitive skin. What we like about it? Available in a range of colors and sizes. Quick-drying double-brushed microfiber fabric. Soft and comfortable. Stain, wrinkle, and pill-resistant. What we don't like about it? Colors may differ from photos. Number 2. CGK Unlimited Cooling Sheet Set. Investing in high-quality bedding is essential for ensuring a good night's sleep and overall comfort, which is why the CGK Unlimited Cooling Sheet Set is a fantastic addition to any bedroom. This 4-piece sheet set includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases, all designed to provide exceptional comfort. What sets these sheets apart, however, is the choice of material. Crafted from high-quality, double-brushed microfiber yarns, they offer both durability and an incredibly soft touch against your skin. The fitted sheet boasts deep pockets that make it compatible with mattresses up to 16 inches, all while ensuring a snug fit that doesn't shift during the night. What we like about it? Available in 45 different colors and patterns. Durable, comfortable, and soft. Wrinkle and fade-resistant design. Very lightweight and breathable. What we don't like about it? May have issues staying in place. Number 3. Bedsure Bamboo Cooling Sheet Set. When it comes to achieving that elusive, perfect night's sleep, the Bedsure Bamboo Cooling Sheet Set is a must-have. Made from 100% bamboo viscose, these sheets offer an organic and luxurious alternative to traditional cotton. Their design is beautifully simple and available in a range of natural colors that effortlessly blend with any bedroom decor. But it's not just their aesthetic appeal that makes them stand out. These sheets are a hot sleeper's dream thanks to their exceptional temperature-regulating properties. They work tirelessly to keep you cool and dry throughout the night, offering more moisture-wicking capabilities than your typical cotton sheets. What we like about it? Incredibly soft and luxurious feel. Lightweight, breathable fabric. Deep 16-inch pockets. Great for summer and winter use. What we don't like about it? Colors may not match photos. Number 4. Pizuna Cooling Sheet Set. Crafted with 400 thread count long staple comb cotton, the Pizuna Cooling Sheet Set is the epitome of comfort and breathability. First of all, the sateen weave construction is a game changer. It's designed to regulate temperature, ensuring that you stay warm during chilly winters and cool throughout hot summer nights. But that's not all. These sheets are also tailored for a perfect fit, too. They're compatible with mattresses ranging from 8 to 15 inches thick, thanks to their deep pocket-fitted sheets and patented stitching patterns with high-quality all-around elastic. What we like about it? Comes in 43 colors. Incredibly breathable and soothing. Made with 100% long staple cotton. Washing machine safe for easy cleaning. What we don't like about it? Easily gets wrinkly. Number 5. Shilliking Bamboo Cooling Sheet Set. For those who seek a comfortable, lavish bedding experience, the Shilliking Cooling Bamboo Bed Sheet Set is an exceptional choice. What truly stands out about this set is its fabric blend, which combines bamboo and microfiber to create a textile that's astoundingly soft. But these sheets are not just soft, they're smart. Their temperature-regulating capabilities ensure a refreshingly cool bed during hot summer nights, making for a more comfortable and restful sleep. What we like about it? Buttery soft and smooth. Lightweight without being too thin. Fits tall mattresses well. Keeps you cool all night long. What we don't like about it? Might wrinkle easily. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.